The conversion kit comprises vital components, including a motorized wheel, a robust battery, and various accessories necessary for installation. Notably, users can select from multiple wheel sizes, tailored to accommodate their specific biking needs. Assembling the kit is designed to be straightforward, taking just 5 to 10 minutes, thus making it an accessible option for most bike owners. Clear instructions coupled with color-coded connections greatly simplify the setup process, ensuring a seamless installation. The display is equipped with multiple functions, showcasing battery percentage and speed, which significantly enhances the rider's awareness during use. Moreover, users have the capability to adjust settings according to their personal preferences, resulting in a more customized riding experience. The weight advantage gained from converting a bike is considerable. While factory electric bikes typically weigh between 25 to 30 kilograms, the modified version weighs a mere 13 kilograms, making it far more manageable for transportation. Installing the electric motor is an uncomplicated process, compatible with various bike types. This feature allows users to preserve the original character of their bicycles while gaining the added benefit of electric assistance, particularly useful for navigating climbs. The adaptation to an electric bike significantly enhances convenience, enabling the transportation of tools and personal items in a basket. This removes the necessity for a backpack, thereby streamlining the overall biking experience. Using the throttle feature results in effortless riding, particularly beneficial when confronting uphill terrains. This aspect of the kit makes biking enjoyable without imposing excessive physical strain on the rider, a point that the presenter underscores. The conversion kit's versatility is a key highlight, as it can be applied to a variety of bike types, including cross-country and fat tire options. This broad accessibility significantly increases its appeal to a wider audience. The presenter elaborates on the kit's inclusion of essential components, like the motor and tire, underscoring the excellent value it offers for the price. This affordability represents a robust advantage for potential buyers.